Janakpur, the city where stories are born and legends live. From the sacred Janaki temple to the vibrant bazaars, it's a place where every beat of the drum, every footstep is charged with history and pride. It's more than a city, it's an anthem, a place where culture is not just preserved, it's lived, where tradition meets the energy of the new generation. And from the city of flavors and stories rises a new heartbeat. Every thread a story, every stitch a promise, inspired by our roots, built for our future. With every bolt and flash, we carry the spirit of Janakpur onto the field, the strength